Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar Swiss on the daily time frame is still not broken structure, so we are still in a downtrend, and this still could end up going down very easily. Until we actually get this break of structure, we have no idea whether this is going to go up or whether it's going to go down. The trend is definitely down, so I would always lean towards the trend, which would be down in this case. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we have impulsive up and then we have impulsive down. This move up looks pretty corrective to me because it's very overlapping. So maybe this is a wave A or possibly a wave 1. Maybe this is a wave B or possibly a wave 2. And I think it's likely we will push down for either a wave C, which would look like this and then turn back up, or maybe it really is a wave 3 and it just makes lower lows, lower highs in a wave 3. But either way, I think we would make a wave C or possibly a wave 3 next. Just be very cautious today because today is the deadline for the tariffs for Canada, Mexico, and a whole bunch of other places. So be very, very cautious. The markets could be very, very wild when that news drops later on today. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.